Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the City of LaPorte Parks and Recreation Special Services Seniors Cooking 101. Today we are cooking something called chocolate gravy. I have a recipe here that I pulled offline, I do believe, and it is 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, 4 tablespoons of butter, which I omitted, and of course, you know, your pinch of salt, and then your biscuits, which are right here, that just came out of the oven. So what we are going to do is we're going to mix the cocoa powder, the flour, salt, and the vanilla, which is trying to run away, all together in this little bowl here with a little bit of water, make kind of a roux. And we will try. Hopefully, we will make it. Some of it will fly away, but that's okay. Then your sugar. Use it all. See, that's why you do this, so that it don't fly away. There. Mix it all together, and I'm going to use this spoon right here. It's easier. You mix it up. When you get it all mixed up, of course it's going to be liquid. And it's going to get all milk. Now certainly the milk is not going to fly away on us. We hope. I'm using 1% milk. You can use whole milk. You can even use water. That's how my grandmother made it when I was growing up, with water. And she always put vanilla and a pinch of salt. Salt enhances the sweetness of the sugar in anything that you bake. And you turn this on, get it to boiling here. Right about there for right now. We may have to turn it down, but we'll see. Now see, here we go. Here's our chocolate roux. What do you think? Chocolate roux. Milk is nice and warm. We're going to pour it in the roux, mix it all up, and we're going to end up with chocolate gravy as soon as it boils. Get it all in there. You don't want to lose any of the good stuff. See? Believe it or not, this is good stuff. Coating on it, so I'm using a wooden spoon. You just stir it until it starts getting thick, which some take room. And then you're ready to put it on top of your biscuit. Stirring for anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes, depending on the temperature you have on your range, your stove top, or whatever you're using to cook it. It's getting thick, and you just keep stirring it so that it don't burn or stick to the bottom. All right, here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Now we're fixing to put it on our biscuits. So what we're going to do is turn it off, move it over so it quits. Don't get all burned or anything. There you go. Now we're going to take our biscuit in half, just like you would biscuits and gravy. Pull this over here and do the same thing. And I'm going to take this, and if I would have been smart, I'd have brought a ladle. But that works better. Nice and hot. just like gravy. I don't know about anybody else, but I like mine smothered. My biscuits smothered in gravy. Okay. There's one. Put the spoon right there. I'm going to do another. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Biscuits and chocolate gravy. Thank you so much for watching our Cooking 101 video for the Parks Recreation, Special Services, and Senior Services. I've enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a great day. Now let's eat.